So the first thing, we need to cut this romper in half. I'll make the bottom into a small fabric bag, but I'll work on the top first, so let's put the bottom aside for now. Since it was a romper, the bag is too big to wear it as a top, so I'll cut the center back and sew them together from wrong side of the garment. Before we start sewing the back together, let's serge raw edges of center back and the hem. Now we can align the back and pin them together. You will see a ruler in your sewing machine. It will guide you when you sew. I will place the lace on the hem. Let's fold the raw edges twice so it looks clean. And let's pin them together so it doesn't twist around while sewing. Let's sew top and the bottom 5mm inside. Make sure you open the seam. I'm going to add some details on the straps, so I need two laces 45cm long. Let's tie ribbon on the strap. You need to play around a little bit to get a look of what you want. Ta-da! So the top is ready. I still have some leftover fabric, so I decided to use that up to make a small bag. Time to cut the fabric for the bag. I need two outer fabrics. Here's a tip. Cut notches for darts so you don't forget where dart starts and ends. Here's the fun part. I am deciding what button to use. I have lots of buttons, but it was really hard to decide. I think the purple one looks great for this one. I'm gonna use this one, isn't it pretty? I am pinning lace in the middle of the bag. Now sewing time. I'm stitching darts first. Now it's ready to put front and back together. Let's clip round corners. Now we can turn right side out. Let's prepare 52cm long lace to make a back strap.